How are you doing, my lovely people? Welcome back to my channel. I want to show you a different way. Well, I'm sure most of you know this way already, but for those that do not, this is a different way of you doing your chicken. Anyhow you want to cook it, this is another way I like to do my chicken. So I'm going to start with boiling the chicken, and I've added my spices. I've added some onions as well. I'm going to allow this chicken cook in its own juice for like 5 minutes. So I'm not going to be adding water at first. I'm just going to allow it saturate well in its own juice. Basically, this is just like a little way of like hastening up the marinating process. So guys, this is one of my favorite ways of making chicken. My mom loves this method so much. Anytime she grills chicken, she just has to do this. So after 5 minutes, guys, I'm going to be adding the water now, and I believe that the chicken has soaked up all the seasoning that I added in the beginning, and the water is just for it to now cook through perfectly for the next 5 minutes. It's soft chicken, so you don't have to cook it for a long time so that it doesn't like turn so rubbery and hard. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to air fry my chicken, because we are going healthy, guys. If you want to fry it the traditional way, it's absolutely fine. If you want to use it in an oven, it's also fine. Any way you want to do yours is perfectly okay. But I'm air frying this for just 10 minutes because it's already half cooked. This is just to make it grill further or to air fry further. And guys, that's just me using the settings of the air fryer, and boom, see how my chicken is right now. It's perfectly cooked, juicy inside and crispy on the outside. At this point, I couldn't even resist it. I was already like stealing one or two bites. But wait, we're going somewhere. So this is the next step of this chicken cooking process. I've added some cooking oil, some onions, some garlic paste. Please feel free to add whatever you want to add. It's all in you. The ball is in your court. However you like to season your meat or your protein is absolutely fine. And I'm just going to go ahead to add some green chilies as well, because I like a little bit of chili. If you don't like chili, you can skip this process, or you can add any herbs or anything you want. If you can, feel free to add your fresh herbs, anything you want basically. And this is the major part of what I like, the bell pepper strips. I'm using the green, the yellow, the red bell pepper, because they all have their different tastes. The red bell pepper is the sweetest, which I really love. So add whatever you want to add. I'm using thyme, seasoning powder, and some curry as well, just to season my herbs. Sorry, just to season my bell peppers so that it doesn't taste like bland. Get me? So I'm just going to mix it a little tiny bit in order to get ready to add my grilled chicken. And this is me adding my chicken already. The chicken was already seasoned, but adding this special bell pepper strips, stir frying it in this mix, just like brings it all together. So I'm just going to allow it cook furthermore for about 2 minutes, and yes, my chicken is going to be absolutely ready. Guys, I love this so much, especially when you're having like visitors, just to give yourself a nice dish. Basically, you just add that extra next to your dish, to your chicken, rather than you serving like plain chicken. Or if you don't want to add the chicken to your stew, this is another way that I love to serve my chicken. You can see my rice just there, and this was what I paired with my chicken. It was so yummy, it tasted so great, everybody loved it. Anytime you want to like serve chicken, I don't want to like put it in a stew, I just want to make it like extra, just do this and you see everybody saying, wow, this tastes really nice. Thank you so much for coming on board today. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in other videos. Bye.